Union of set. The set consisting of elements of two or more sets is said to be union of sets. Let A and B be two sets. A and B and two sets. Their union of A and B is denoted by A union B and read as A union B. The building method A union B X colon X element A or X element B. Example: let C equal second bracket 3, 4, 5 and D equal 4, 6, 8. Determine the C union D. The given C equal to and D equal to. So C union D equal 3, 4, 7, 5 union 4, 6, 8. 3, 4, 6, 8. All color commons, uncommon number makes union set. 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Common and uncommon. There are common 4 and uncommon. The set of determine is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.